Hello friends, this is Devishri and you are watching my YouTube channel Sri Creative Art Blog. And if you like my painting and want to buy it, you have to do is just go in the description, click on the link, you will visit to my Insta page. The details about the painting are given there. You can place your order through chat box. How this painting is, don't forget to tell in comment box and hit the like. And if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then subscribe it and click the bell icon so that the latest update of our video keep reaching you.